First, cut the water off. Since we're going to remove the toilet from where it is, the tank and everything, we're going to take the top off and put it somewhere where it's safe. Remove the remaining water in the tank. I usually like to start by removing the tank ball so that I can take a nice large sponge and sponge up the remaining of the water that's in the tank. And once we get most of the water out the tank, that's when we're going to begin removing the tank. Now this way, water doesn't go everywhere. Okay, now we're going to remove the supply line to the toilet. Removing the supply line to the toilet. This is the and usually I like to do this with the going to remove the ball cock. This is the bottom view of the ball cock. So we're just gonna remove this nut so that back out. This is the top view of the ball cock. This is the hole where the ball cock went. And this here is the flush tube, or better known as the flush box, flush valve. Which we are also going to remove once we remove the toilet tank. Now here are the tank bolts that we're going to remove. That bolts the tank down to the bowl. Now the tank is ready to be. Now we're going to take the tank and remove the remaining of the tank bolts and the flush valve. Okay, now we're going to remove the flush valve. This is the tank to bowl washer. Now you see the tank to bowl gasket, and we're going to also replace that.